Good morning and welcome to your coffee moment. Are you on your third cup of coffee or are you overdosing your coffee? Great, you've come to the right place. What does a coffee ceremony look like, you might be asking? Coffee ceremony is a place where we meet in circles so that we could talk about our relationship with coffee and what we're experiencing with the plant. It's a place where we can change our mindset and our perspective towards coffee. Because most of us, let's get real, most of us see coffee as just another drink, as a quick fix, as a drug. But what coffee ceremony is all about, it's about changing that perspective and shifting it into something that's much more uplifting for us and much more expansive for our relationship with the plant. We are creating sacred relationship, right relationship, because once we begin to see that coffee is a plant and it is a medicine, then the way that we drink it completely changes, completely shifts. We start with a circle check-in so that everybody can become familiar with one another, everybody could feel more comfortable in the circle. We then move into brewing. So when we brew, we make sure to go for 3 sips or 3 cupfuls. And during that time of drinking, I guide us through a meditation to really feel how the coffee feels in our body. Because very often we drink and we don't realize what we're doing. We're doing the dishes, mopping the floor. How many times have you done that? Because I've done that several times in the past. And so this is the main part that really gets us feeling grounded and connected to the plant and how it's landing in our body. We then move into a movement style-led practice where my friend Ken and co-facilitator Ken plays live music, so live drumming, to really get that energy going where people have the opportunity to freeform dance. And then after that we drop in to a short breathwork flow, which is also guided by myself, and ethereal sound by Ken, to really allow people the chance to drop in and recognize how they felt at the beginning and how they feel now as they've moved with the coffee medicine in their body. We also have a part and a time where we can journal so that we could actually put our minds into something that will help us propel and have a better day. I imagine you're feeling curious, and if so, please make sure to attend one of these coffee ceremonies and drop into an alchemized relationship with coffee. And until then, until we see you there, markaha,